Hi, welcome to DemandTools Quick Wins. Today, we are going to look at a quick way to reassign records from one user to another using the ReassignOwnership module. ReassignOwnership allows for the mass transfer of ownership of records and selected subobjects in a single pass, making jobs like these quick and easy. Let's get started. From the DemandTools Today page, I'm going to open the ReassignOwnership module, which is located under the Maintenance section. Our use case today is that we have a user leaving the company and all accounts currently assigned to this person need to be reassigned to someone new. First, from my Object to Reassign dropdown, I'm going to select the Account object and then click Use Object. Now I need to indicate which accounts I want reassigned. I have two options. I can use my Where Condition tab to write conditions to indicate the records I need reassigned, or I can read in a file of account IDs. Today, we are going to use conditions to tell it that I need all records currently owned by Jennifer reassigned. I need to toggle from Use All, which would pull down all records in this object, to Use Conditions, and now create my condition. I will select the field owner name, operator equals, and then we'll find Jennifer's name from my list of users here. And click Add Condition. Now that I've told it which records need to be reassigned, at the bottom of the screen, I need to indicate the fields that I want to see on my results grid. Keep in mind, your grid will automatically show you current user and new user. So I'm just going to ask to see the account name field and the billing state field. And now we can advance to step 2. In step 2, at the top of the screen, I will indicate who these records need to be reassigned to. And at the bottom, I will indicate any sub-objects that need to be reassigned along with my accounts. For this basic one-to-one reassignment, I'm going to use my Reassign To option at the top here and select the user from my drop-down that I need to reassign Jennifer's records to. Now I have indicated that all records that meet my conditions will be reassigned to Mark. Now I need to indicate which sub-objects need to be reassigned along with my accounts. By default, you will see that contacts, future events, open opportunities, and open tasks are pre-selected to be reassigned along with accounts. If you need additional sub-objects reassigned, just check the corresponding box and those sub-objects will be reassigned. If you don't want a particular pre-selected sub-object reassigned, you can just uncheck that box as well. Now let's take a look at our results grid. In my results grid, the first place I always look is for my information box towards the bottom of the screen that tells me how many records I'm working with. For this scenario, you can see it pulled down 680 accounts that met my conditions that I wrote in step 1. If I open my object distribution report, I can also see a summary of what sub-objects are going to be reassigned as well. Also from my results grid, I can see who the current owner is of the records that are being reassigned, as well as who I've indicated the new owner should be. The columns name and billing state are the fields that I told it in step 1 that I needed to see in my results grid. After I have verified my results and I am happy, I can move forward with my update by clicking my Update Records button. Now that my update is complete, I get a pop-up that includes a link to my log file and a restore file for my account object. You'll also notice that you have been given restore files for any sub-object records that were reassigned as part of this job. And that's it, a simple one-to-one reassignment using the ReassignOwnership module. ReassignOwnership has the capabilities to distribute owners amongst several users, set up complex territory alignments, and also align sub-object to match parent object ownership. Check out the full training on this module for more examples.